Hi, I have opened my Visual Studio Code or Visual Code Studio, whatever you call it as, and I have opened a folder, a new folder, and I selected that folder. Now I will save this as a workspace. So this is my workspace now, and here I have installed the AWS extension, AWS toolkit extension, which you can get it from here. AWS toolkit. So this is what I installed. All right. Now I have a Docker which is running in the background. This is just an extension. It doesn't do anything, but a Docker which is running in the background. I show it to you. It is over here running, and I have installed AWS SAM CLI too. Now, if we go to run, uh, sorry, I think I should go to command palette, view command palette, and here if I type AWS, select the AWS create Lambda SAM application, and it will ask for a couple of other inputs. Let's wait for it. Yeah, so it will ask for me the input. I am selecting node 14x, this for our project, and I can select a hello world as a template. Let's go with a hello world template, and let us create a Visual Studio Steering, or let us create a folder inside this. Hello world, and I'll select this particular folder. Now it will ask for what is the name of the app. I'll say hello world app. Hello world app. Now it had created the, it will create the file and the related things. So you can see it is using in the background, it is using Python to create all those setup for us. So once it is done, it looks like I don't have 14 installed. Let us select node 12. I'll select the same folder. Hello world. So it's creating it. So it will ask for open JSON, open loan JSON. We can try to open it. So it will actually add that particular project into our workspace. Alright, if you are not getting this open JSON, no worries. Close this, go to run and open configuration. It is the same thing. Alright, so it has created this folder for us, and it says temporary, it basically says two configurations. One is the Lambda, this is the Lambda configuration, and this is the API configuration. Alright, one thing which we have to be very careful about, this template YAML is in this particular folder. So workspace folder, hello world app template. Alright, that hello world is coming from here, first hello world, and the next one I believe, oh, it must have created this hello world 2 times here. If you see hello world template, so you can edit this anytime in case if you have moving your code here and there, so you can edit this particular one anytime. All right, so there are two configuration which is over here, one is for Lambda and one is for FBA, and the Lambda one is what we are using. All right, now I have SAM CLI, I have my Docker installed, and this will automatically generate the hello world application over here. See, it just says all these things, right? Now I can press F5. So what it does, automatically it will try to deploy my code in the backend. Uh, Sorry, it will deploy my code in the Docker and try to attach a debugger to it. All right. So it will take some time initially because it have to create all the image and store it in the Docker repository and all. I'm not doing any background configuration for my Docker. I just install the Docker. That's all. It will auto figure it out whether the Docker is running or not. I will just put a debug line over here, debug points over here. Let's see whether it is coming over here and over here. So it may take some time over here as per your configurations. So it actually opened a debugger, and this debugger will be coming over here. We can continue running it. See, it just reached my point where the debugger is. I can, let me go over here to the next line, and I can see see the variable details from here, what the value and all, and even I can put in case if we have to change some values over here, we can do that. Even we can put a console dot log, and if we have to put what is our return value, response, and we can turn it from here. It will show the response and all, and we can just simply close this, so it will again give us the response over here as well, status code message and the hello. So this is what we generally do, and in case if we have to send a in an event, let us code something over here. Now event dot first paragraph. Let us console print this, console dot log, and just printing this one. Sorry. So what this is doing, it is expecting a parameter called first param from our event. So we have to send first param to our event. For that, we have to go to our configuration, open the configuration, and take the Lambda configuration, which is the first one, which is nothing but the having the direct invoke, which is hello world configuration over here, and go over here, and here in the environment variable we put JSON equal to curly braces this is complaining about it. Oh, sorry. sorry, this is environment variable I have put, not here, inside payload. Here we can put I don't think we can put that. Let me see something. Yeah, okay. So now we have this over here, and there is nothing to save and all. We can just Alt F if we want to, and we can try to run it again by F5. Meantime, let us see whether this page. I had added one more breakpoint. It's taking some time, so no worries. It may time out sometimes. Let's see. No, it started. And if I go from here, go to the next level, so you can see the tag from here. So this is the way we can generate an event. Alright. Now I just wanted to show one more thing before I close it down. Sometimes your debugger may time out. For that, what we have to do, we have to go over here on the downside of it, and then go to the settings and go to extensions, AWS configuration extensions. Here there will be a value. I have put it as 1,20,000, right? Or whichever it is. Yeah, 1,20,000. It by default it will be 30,000, which is nothing like 3 seconds or something, or 30 seconds or something. So I had bumped it. I had bumped it to 1,20,000. You can also do it, but how much ever you want. You don't have to put it on like 20,000 as of now. You can even, if your program is smaller, it may not take that much of time to compile it. So you can just put around half a minute, 30 seconds, or you can put it as 60 seconds, how much ever time you want. That's the only configuration which we need to. And once we change it, it is already changed and saved. There is nothing like save over here. You just have to close it down. Alright. Let me know in case if you have any troubles when you are creating this. Um, any program which we can debug it over here, and the configurations over here, if you see, we have package.json. So in case if we are using uh, any imports or require, it will come as a module. Whenever you run this application itself, it will download all the modules. Sorry, it will not download the modules. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to this particular folder, this hello world folder. I think from here it will automatically go to, this is in the global it is going. You can get into this hello world folder, cmd hello world app, and we have one more folder over there, hello world app. So you can come over here and you can, because this is available in this level or this level, yeah, it is available in this level, and here uh, you can install the modules which you needed. um, I think it is it's not allowed. Install, if it is fs Let me try to run this. Now the install. Node install. Yes. I'm missing something. No. Let me try. Install package. I forgot that from npm install. So npm install. So it will download the package and it will save it over here. Now you can see the node modules over here. You have it over here. Alright, in case if you want to pull this inside the hello world, oh, this is already inside the hello world, right? Now you can directly use it, or I think it will take this as the package, and you can see the package or JSON got updated. Apparently, no, package.json is not updated. So let us go one more step inside. cd hello world. Try to run this again. Yes, now you can see the dependencies got updated over here, and the node modules are available for you. Alright, now in case if you want to use that node module, you can directly change the code, require node module, and you can start downloading it, you can start using it. Thank you. Let me know in case if you have any queries or something.